listening. The show is really designed for two sets of individuals. The first is for the person that wants to learn about getting started in real estate investing or just loves real estate investing. You'll get to learn about the wonderful niche of house hacking. The second set of individuals that the show was made for is for those interested in improving their financial situation but don't have the desire to become a giant real estate investor. By just learning about house hacking and doing a successful house hack, you can rapidly accelerate your ability to achieve financial freedom. My name is Andrew. I bought my first home at the age of 20, and now at 37, I have been investing in real estate for over 17 years. My focus has been investing in real estate to produce passive income and long-term wealth so I can focus on what I'm passionate about. Over my years of investing, I've built up a large portfolio of buy and hold properties. I've done flips, I've raised private money, I've successfully sold off large chunks of my portfolio, I've invested out of state, I've had joint ventures, and invested in syndications. And more related to this podcast, I'm actually working on my fourth house hack right now. I'm going to use my experience over the past decade and a half to help you learn about house hacking. If you want to learn more about me, you can check out the About section on my website. I'm beyond excited for the launch of the show and being able to do this deep dive into all things house hacking. If you want a primer of what house hacking is, we've got a great article up on our site, and we'll include a link in the show notes for you. For the show format, we'll be doing it by seasons, with each season having a unique format. And for season 1, we're going to have 20 episodes, with each episode being a unique case study of an actual house hacker. These case studies will cover what we define as 5 of the 6 styles of house hacking. They are the room rental style house hack, the income suite house hack, the accessory dwelling unit house hack, the small multifamily house hack, and the work provided house hack. Then we're going to save the 6th style, the live and flip house hack, for a future season, as it has its own unique set of best practices and challenges. The case studies will cover the different styles of rental options, like short-term rentals, think Airbnb, VRBO, to mid-term rentals. Think about that sort of 3 to 6 month period where maybe folks will rent to traveling nurses, to the typical long-term tenants. Think the standard 12-month long leases. We also made sure to feature a wide range of individuals in these first 20 case studies. Season 1 will feature single men, single women, couples, people that have partnered together, and of course, families with kids, all doing house hacks. We worked really hard to create an amazing first season, and we hope you enjoy it. With that said,